Welcome to the Forest, a golfer's dream community with new state-of-the-art upscale clubhouse and private restaurant, and many more amenities. The Forest offers both social and golf membership. The choice is yours. This single-family home was remodeled from top to bottom and has all the bells and whistles. From stunning engineered hardwood flooring throughout to beautiful beams above and everything in between. Brand new kitchen, baths, all with luxurious finishes, even a modern electric multifunctional fireplace. The list goes on as every inch of this beautiful home was fully upgraded. I'm so confident about this home that I challenge you to find a better home and community within this area at this price. I'm Amy Alvarez-Betz with Premier Plus Realty. Give me a call and let's make this your new home.